Rainbow Friends Girl, and me, Doris Girl, and Digital Circus Boy. Today we're doing the Smiley Critters. So who are we gonna do first? I don't know. Should we do Dogday?
Yeah, Dogday.
Okay, let's go. Let's go. Character female. Okay. Does your character really exist?
No.
Has your character ever been in a movie?
No.
Okay. That's insane. Does your character have a human skin, human head? Human head?
No.
Oh. Is your character an animal?
Kinda.
Probably. Does your character wear clothes?
I don't know.
Let's say no. Bye, I'm just gonna go hang out with Miss Rainbow.
Okay, bye.
Does your character stand on two legs?
Yeah, most of the time.
Okay. Does your character kill?
Oh, I have no idea.
Don't know. Does your character have a tail?
Yeah.
Okay. Is your character linked with Sonic the Hedgehog?
No.
Is your character originally from a video game?
Well, yes, I guess. He's from Comic Book.
Is your character black?
No.
Is your character from a horror game?
Yeah.
Is your character a dog?
Yes.
Okay. Is your character from the game Roblox?
No.
Okay. Does your character have orange skin?
Yes.
Okay. Does your character have orange legs?
Yes.
Okay, let's see.
Is it Dogday?
Dogday!
Yeah. Okay.
Now let's do Catnap.
Catnap.
Catnap is. I am Catnap. Come for this review.
You're about to say Catnap is coming to town.
Catnap is coming to town. Now let's do Catnap. Ah. Okay, ready to do Catnap?
Yeah.
Is your character a girl? Let's say no. Is your character real? Is your character bad?
Yeah.
Does your character wear clothes?
No.
Is your character originally from a video game?
Yes.
Okay. Is your character associated with Five Nights at Freddy's?
No.
Definitely not. Is your character from the game Roblox?
No.
Is your character blue?
No.
Is your character from a horror game?
Yes.
Okay. Does your character have animal ears?
Yeah.
Basically, it's cat ears. Is your character a cat?
Yeah.
Okay. Does your character have gray skin?
Sorry, kid. No.
Is your character from Puppy Playtime?
Yes.
Is your character huge?
No, not really. He's kind of small.
Is your character big?
That's the same question.
So no. Does your character have long legs?
Yeah.
Is your character normally large?
Most of the time.
Probably.
Yeah.
Is your character tiny?
No.
Most like an ant. Is your character really tall?
You're answering the same questions. Not really. Dude.
No.
No. I mean, yes, yeah.
Let's see. Yeah!
Yeah!
Now, who should we do next?
Craftycorn.
Okay, let's do Craftycorn. Just in case. So if you like my If you want to see the Smiley Critters plushies, you have to like and subscribe.
No.
Okay, ready? Here we go. Do Craftycorn. Is your character a girl?
Yeah.
Is your character played in Harry Potter? Is your character real?
This guy is really likes Harry Potter. No.
No. Is your character an animal?
Well, it's a unicorn, but yeah.
Does your character fly?
Well, it's a unicorn, so no.
Is your character white?
Yes.
Is your character stations a camp for Lord Hopes?
What? Lord?
Let's say no. Does your character have human skin?
No.
Is your character related to My Little Pony?
No. No?
Does your character stand on 2 legs?
Yes.
Is your character a cat?
No. He's thinking of Catnap.
Is your character from a horror game?
Yes.
Is your character associated with Five Nights at Freddy's?
No.
Does your character have a unicorn cosmetic?
What?
Does your character have a unicorn cosmetic?
I have no idea.
Let's say don't know. Is your character a sheep? No.
No.
Does your character have a horn?
Yeah.
Which is a unicorn horn.
Yeah.
Is your character from Puppy Playtime?
Yes. He's about to guess.
Let's see.
It's Craftycorn.
Yes!
Yeah!
Who should we do next? Last one.
Oh, there's so many. What?
Let's do Kickin because of this ad.
Yeah.
Let's do Kickin Chicken
Let's do Kickin Chicken.
because of this ad.
I'm sorry, people who didn't really get a chance to pick who their favorite guy is.
Okay, let's do Kickin Chicken.
I'm like,
Is your character a girl?
kind of.
Let's say no. Does your character have legs?
Yeah.
What?
Yeah.
Let's say yes. Is your character a famous YouTuber?
What?
No. Is your character real?
No.
Is your character from a Japanese anime?
What?
Does your character have a human head?
No.
Does your character have animal ears? Does your character have animal ears?
I don't really have any ears.
So no.
Mm-mm.
Does your character wear clothes?
No.
Is your character from a music-based game?
I have no idea what that is.
Is your character originally from a video game? Is your character from the game Roblox?
No.
Why do you always ask that, Akinator? Is your character skin blue?
I think he's thinking of Bubble Fit.
Or, yeah. Let's say no.
No.
Is your character have an animal face?
I don't know.
Is your character black?
Oh, yeah.
Nope.
Mm-hmm.
Is your character red? He's thinking of Bobby Bear Hug. So no.
Mm-hmm.
Is your character green? Now you're thinking of Hoppy Hopscotch.
Well, just pick your mind.
Is your character yellow? Yes.
Yes.
Is your character a chicken?
Yes.
Character from Poppy Playtime?
Yes!
Let's see.
It's Kickin Chicken.
Yeah!